Move, you baby back bitch. Anyways, what is up, YouTube? Welcome to the Star Life and welcome to yet another video. I literally can't see much of anything right now. I'm already blind as fuck, and then with this tinted glass, it makes it like extra hard to see. It basically is like I'm sleeping right now. All I see is black and like a little bit of like blurry outlines. Looking like one of the three blind mice, blind as fuck, ready to go over this drop list. Well, first I should probably actually put on my glasses so I could see the fucking drop list. But, anyways, overall, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this week is fire. In my last video I made, everyone was like, you say every week is the worst week. And I'm just like, you look really dumb.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb.
Because I literally have not said that about any of the weeks that I can recall. I mean, I really liked the Stone Island collab. I said that was one of the best Stone Island collabs in quite some time. I really liked the North Face collab, but I will give you that after a lot of people disagreeing with me, I changed the title to the worst collaboration, kind of as like an inside joke. But originally it said like one of the best collaborations. And yeah, even if you look at the season preview, I said overall this season's gonna be good, and I think that it's gonna be a dope season, especially for a spring-summer, because normally fall-winter is better than spring-summer. Anyways, overall this week I think is pretty dope. It's not a crazy week, but we are getting some pretty good items. I'm just kind of worried that those items are a little bit more expensive. Also, by the way, a lot of you guys have been asking me about the $25,000 unboxing. You guys may have seen a brief preview on my Instagram at the Starlife, THESTARRLIFE, the most fire Instagram in the game. But anyways, that video is coming soon. If you guys would like, I'm going to try to get it out Thursday. But if you guys want to see that video, of course, smash that like button down below. If this video gets enough love, I will definitely be a little bit more encouraged to get it edited and up Thursday morning for you guys.
Just do it!
It's going to be a two-part series because honestly, I'm like editing right now. I've already showed off like $15,000 worth of stuff. I still have like 20 minutes to edit of unboxing, and then on top of that, I have another like 40 minutes of editing. So it's actually a lot more than 25,000, but just in honor of Supreme's 25th anniversary, we'll put 25,000, and then in the second video, or the part 2, I'll actually put the total dollar amount of what everything was worth in both unboxings. Anyways,
just a sec.
What? I didn't even say your name. Now, arguably the most hyped piece dropping this week is the Supreme Pool Cue. This piece I could honestly care less about. I'll probably still get it because it might be worth some money, but I am somewhat concerned that the items that have a little bit of hype this week are going to be expensive and have a little bit higher retails. The Supreme Pool Cue, I mean, it's cool. It's a cool accessory to have. I just don't ever see myself actually using it because I don't play pool. I'm actually trash at pool. I should be good because I know my dad, who was never there when I was a kid, he's really good at pool, according to my mom. I mean, like I said, I don't know. I never saw the dude. So, but according to my mother, he's really good at pool and really good at bowling. So it should be my blood, but I don't know. I guess it skipped a generation. Who knows? Maybe my kids or my kids' kids or my kids' kids' kids will be good. Maybe there'll be a pool shark or maybe at least like a pool goldfish. I'd be like, I don't even know what the fuck I'd be. Like a pool tadpole? I'm fucking trash. Absolutely garbage. Speaking of garbage, let's go over some trash that is dropping this week. First of all, this putty tee, disgusting. Absolutely atrocious. This thing is hideous. It does look like this is something that would be cool maybe back in like 08. There is some other heat dropping though. It's not like the only good item is the Pool Cue. One of the other items that I'm actually a fan of is this Supreme denim jacket. When I first saw it, I wasn't that much of a fan of it. I don't really think I was like super against it in the season preview, but the more that I look at it, the more I admire it. I'm kind of gassed on it. First of all, it has the Twin Towers proudly displayed. For those of you guys that watch my videos, I am a veteran. I used to serve in the United States military, and I was actually deployed to Afghanistan during 9/11, and 9/11 is hectic overseas because like the bases get attacked a lot more during the week of 9/11. So like during the whole week of 9/11, we got attacked like several times a day. So it's just cool to see those Twin Towers proudly displayed on the back. But overall, I do like this piece. I think it's bedazzled, which I'm not necessarily the biggest fan of, but I'm not quite sure if it's like stars or maybe some of the windows are bedazzled. Just that being said, I'm kind of concerned that that's going to increase the price tag quite a bit. Hopefully not quite as expensive as the 25th anniversary box logo, but I am concerned that the price will be a little bit higher than normal. It also has the Old English logo across the top, and you guys know me, I'm a sucker for the Old English logo. I love Old English, so you know your boy will probably try to go for one of the blue ones. You have the front's keychain. Now they did use this exact same graphic or same design on a t-shirt. This is now going to be an actual keychain. It's basically a Supreme grill. It says Supreme right there. It also has two fangs, which has become increasingly popular over the last decade. This is something that I feel like the first time I ever saw the fangs grill was actually from Gravediggaz, which is an old school New York hip hop group. I don't know if Supreme's ever referenced Gravediggaz. That'd be kind of cool. I just feel like Gravediggaz like gets no love or no respect for like what they did, and I just feel like they're a really sick hip hop group. But regardless, I digress. This piece is pretty decent. It's alright. It's nothing special. I don't know how much it's gonna cost, but it'll probably be a little bit too much. It does seem like it has a good amount of upvotes though, so that's kind of good. We are seeing a Supreme Playboy collaboration. We're seeing some leisure shorts and a Supreme leisure zip up. The top, absolute garbage. Definitely, I do not want this top at all. This is disgusting. It's like cuffed and it's a short sleeve. It's just trash. These shorts, however, these may be a purchase. I'm not quite sure. Maybe not. I don't know. They're just shorts with the Playboy logo on. It's nothing special to me. Nothing unique. Nothing crazy. So I'll probably end up passing on those. They'll probably be like right around $100, and I'm just not trying to spend $100 for plain shorts that have the Playboy logo on them. At the end of the day, if it didn't have the Supreme tag, you know nobody would give a fuck about these shorts. But you have the Molotov Kid skateboard dropping. Now, this is a graphic that I actually really like. I do not know how I feel about it on a skateboard, but they did this graphic and they did the Susie Switchblade graphic on some tees earlier, which both have like a similar style like cartoonish vibe. You have the Toy Uzi hooded sweatshirt. Now this is really sick. Shout out to my boy Willie, by the way, who took a sick photo with the actual Uzi blow up pillow. But they did drop a blow up like little pillow or like little inflatable thing that has this same graphic as well. And then they have this like Toy Uzi that says Supreme on it, I believe. Now this should all be embroidered. This hoodie's decent, not one that I really plan on copping, but it's a decent hoodie nonetheless. It's always hard to cop Supreme hoodies. Like some of the Supreme hoodies, like they're definitely good quality, but justifying like spending $160 to $170 on a lot of their hoodies is hard unless I really, really rock with the graphic. But moving on, we have the Gore-Tex Court jacket. Now this will keep you dry from any winter elements. This piece is actually kind of sick. It has a little bit more like I guess popularity than I thought. You have these two like tiger stripes going down your shoulder blade or shoulder region. Definitely, like, I'm a fan of the red one and the black one. I'm not a fan of those two front colors. They also have a matching pant for this piece. I'll probably not cop the pants because Supreme is made for people who are tall, not midgets like myself, and being that I am a midget like Tyrion Lannister, there's no way these will look good on me. There'll just be too much stacking. It'll be like I'm wearing those bronze pants that dropped not too long ago. If you guys didn't see those, it's fucking hilarious. But anyways, moving on. We have the Persistence of Memory button-up. Now, this has a clock that is from Salvador Dali, I believe. Now, it's actually quite bothersome that I did not recognize this at first. I don't know why. Basically, they took the clock off of one of the paintings, Persistence of Memory, and I've actually talked about this artist on this channel before, so it's an actual travesty that I did not recognize this right away. For some reason, I was just thinking like Alice in Wonderland type shit. You guys may have seen this graphic, and random fact, but this referenced this piece of art, and it actually made it into an article written on Juxtaposed Magazine. If you guys do not read Juxtaposed Magazine, change your life. And yeah, check them out. No sponsors, just, you know what I'm saying, just a magazine that I've loved since I was a young lad. Moving on, the Rib Stripe Crewneck. Now, this piece is fucking filthy.
Keep the change, you filthy animal.
You have a normal crewneck that has a little ribbing going down on the bottom, and this ribbing has some little graphic detail. I don't know if the whole thing is like a green and red ribbing, but it basically says Supreme Team 94. 94 being the year that Supreme was founded, obviously. I really, really like this red one with the green stripe. It's a nice little Gucci stripe going on. This isn't a super popular piece, so I wouldn't expect this one to really have much resale, kind of like the Formula 1 crewneck did. But still, nonetheless, I think it's a pretty decent piece and a nice essential piece to have in your wardrobe. Moving on, we have the Washed Twill shirt. Just like a little Oxford button-up style tee. Pass. The Toy Uzi 6 panel, which will also be a pass. And then last but not least, you have this Formula 1 looking freaking hat that looks like it belongs on like Dale Earnhardt or something. I don't fucking know, but regardless, it definitely does not belong in my head. I do not race NASCAR. Who knows, maybe this piece will hit. I'm personally not much of a fan. I like the NASCAR style snapbacks, but I just don't like the style of this one in particular. So to recap, the only pieces I'm personally going for, I'm going for the pool cue, I'm going for the denim jacket. I probably won't cop the Gore-Tex jacket. I feel like it's going to be more than it deserves just because it has that Gore-Tex branding on it. I don't know. It's not a terrible week. Oh, I think I might go for the Rip Stripe Crew if I have some time. So yeah, like those three things. But other than that, that's really all I'm going for. It's not like a crazy week, but there is some heat dropping definitely. It's remarkably better than the last 2 weeks, bro. These last 2 weeks have been so fucking garbage, and I think that the remainder of this season should be pretty good. We still have a lot of fire accessories to drop, and it seems like the last 2 drops after the 25th anniversary box logo dropped, they were just trying to clear out like a lot of the garbage that they're dropping this season. But this week I think is a pretty decent one. You guys let me know your guys' opinions down in the comments below. And of course I will be posting some polls on my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow my Instagram. My Instagram will be somewhere on the screen and in the description down below. Make sure you join those polls. I got some heat coming as well, some fire pictorials. Yeah man, that's everything. So I'm gonna put my glasses back on, signing out. Won't be able to see shit for the rest of the day. So I love you guys, and yeah man, peace the fuck out.
Bang bitch, holler when you feel this. Fresh up out the county, tell them hoes to get up on me. I was in that motherfucker with some killers.